'Cause I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. Nope, that, nope, that, nope, that, nope, that, no broke boys, no new friends. I'm that bitch, you give me my text. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade. Look on me, think.
Lasing na ba kayo? Hindi pa! Mamaya may walwalan! At sa mga bakla, pag naengga na, may laplapan!
Our first honoree this evening is a leader who has consistently championed inclusion and equality, and whose administration has supported initiatives that help create a more welcoming and affirming city for everyone. Hands-On City has been recognized for programs that advance LGBTQIA+ inclusion, including the Right to Care Card Initiative and continued support for LGBTQIA+ representation and participation in local governance. Accepting the award on behalf of our honoree, Mayor of Quezon City, the Honorable Mayor Maria Josefina Joy Belmonte. Please welcome Mayor of Pasay City, Mayor Imelda Calixto Rubiano.
Next Sunday of the year, Pasay Mayor, Imelda Erika Calixto-Rubiano!
Please welcome on stage concurrent President of the Metro Manila Council and the National President of the League of Cities of the Philippines and Mayor of San Juan City, Mayor Francisco Javier Francis Manlapit Zamora.
Our next outstanding ally, San Juan Mayor! Grabe ni Mayor ka na may baka ka pa!
Welcome on stage, Mayor of Manila City, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Yorme in the house! Diyos ko nun! Si Yorme, nagtayo ng Berkshire, Maynila. Grupo ng lahat ng councilors at barangay captain na miyembro ng LGBT. Kaya mahal na mahal ako kaibigan mo to. Yorme, congratulations, please.
I love you. Shout out mga Beksi ng Maynila. Mag-ingay! Para sa inyo daw.
I know I should sleep, but the voice is in my head.
Ate Rochelle, bakit ka naman?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito na pinalaki ng Sepa!
Happy Pride sa inyo!
Happy Pride!
Anong feeling gay icon na kayo?
Sa wakas!
It's about time, di ba, ate?
Ang dami sa amin nagsasabi na pinalaki daw namin sila. At kami ang dahilan. Joke lang.
Di ba? Kaya mga naging bakla. I love it.
Happy Pride, brother people! Happy Pride sa lahat ng malaya, sa lahat ng mga nag-aantay pang lumaya, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa pinapalaya pero nagdadasal na makalaya na. Happy Pride sa ating lahat. Happy Pride sa lahat ng members ng LGBTQIA+ community! Sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa LGBTQIA+ community, sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak, pamilya, magulang, kapatid at kaibigan ng ating komunidad, binabati ko kayong lahat. Happy Pride sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat na may Vice Ganda. At ito po ang announcement namin. Through your generosity and support, we have raised a total of 700,000 pesos. At idodonate po natin yan sa Love Yourself! Yay! And because every act of kindness deserves to go even further, our friends from Mentor Incorporated have decided to make tonight even more meaningful. They are officially increasing that amount to 1 million pesos! Napakahusay! And at this point, may we invite our partner from Love Yourself to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Doc Vin! Doc Vin! Palong-palo naman yung Love Yourself! And it is only fitting that this check be presented by someone who has continuously used her voice, her platform, and her heart to uplift the community. As one of this year's White Party Manila Volunteer Ambassadors and her beloved Meme ng White Party Manila, Vice Ganda presents this donation to Love Yourself.
The rhythm in my bones, 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 the rhythm in my bones. Yeah, we're out of control now. When the bass drops, I can feel. When the bass drops. the rhythm in my bones, 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 bones.